You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. And finally, in the Peruvian city of San Miguel near the capital Lima, locals celebrated a unique environment-friendly car race on Sunday the 22nd of May.
Using reused items, plastic bottles, and other recycled materials, contestants crafted their own racing vehicles. Over 20 cars inspired by iconic movies and cartoons participated. Amongst the racers were a Batmobile, a Super Mario Bros. Inspired car, and a beehive-shaped car. San Miguel's mayor, Jose Guevara, said that the aim was to uphold family union and, above all, to promote the crafting of cars using recycled materials. In the children's category, a car inspired by the 90s TV series Rugrats got the first prize. A Ninja Turtles car won the first place in the adult category. The event was part of the activities to celebrate the San Miguel's District 102 anniversary.